how to use to Instagram in your OnePlus device. Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clone your Instagram in your OnePlus device. Okay, so you don't need to download any third party application. Okay, this feature is allowed in OnePlus device. So just go to settings. Now tap on apps, tap on app cloner. Okay, here you can see I'm using I'm using two WhatsApp in the WhatsApp icon you can see here on. Okay, so just go to Instagram. Now toggle the switch on right after create app clone. Okay, now your app cloner is ready and you can change the name also. So tap on rename app clone. Now here you can write Instagram too and tap on save. Just go back and check if your Instagram is cloned. Here you can see this is the original Instagram and this is the copy app cloner. Alright, that's how you clone Instagram application in your OnePlus device. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, so please like, share, subscribe to Tech2.